visit a friend. The airport, they actually, oh, there's an electric storm, thunderstorm going on the horizon. Hence DFW Horizons. Big lightning strike right there. We can actually roll the window down and probably get a little bit of it right here. And then we'll head back. These are some of the neighborhood cameras now that are lit right here. Most likely that's to protect the equipment that they're working on housing. But they have a few of them around here. Those are actually cameras. Okay, so it is lightning out and we've got a lightning storm. We're going to head back and do a reading. We're going to try to work our way through this script. Maybe 10 pages, maybe more. I'll go by feel. I'm at 74 right now, or 76 or something like that on the pages. The entire script is 150 pages now, but it would be longer if I had more time to work on it. I have scenes to add towards the end. I got fighting sequences. It possibly could be a 200 page script. I don't know. I'm trying to limit that because I know, you know, it's easier to work with a smaller script. It's a cool billboard right here, by the way. It should be a filming location. I can't stop and smell the lightning for too long. So we're gonna go back, go ahead and get the reading. We'll get a little bit further on Grace. We did do a great rehearsal today of Wild Burning Eyes, but good thing I rehearsed it, and then, you know, and later in kind of like you know, before nighttime because it's a little noisy, and so we'll be doing the reading. Maybe 10 pages, maybe 15 pages. We'll just do a reading through a couple scenes and get that continuing on. The major work that needs to be done on the script is going to be towards the end, where I just have scenarios written, and then I do have the final ending. So the final ending is written. Just towards the end, when they go back after him after the second time, and they plan their attack on Grace, and so after they pulled him out in the moonlight and realized that he's not the werewolf, so they don't attack Grace. They come back to find the werewolf, which they're assuming it's Rainy Love. That sequence has not all been written. It's only partially written. We could do a whole thing. I mean, so we'll work on it, and when we get to it, we may write little segments in there before we do the readings on those, if we get through all the readings by August 9th. Then we'll print it out and send it to Grim Life. At least they'll have an early version of Grace, aka Werevlog. Hello, how are you?
She thought I'd take a picture of her, but I don't think I'm taking a picture of her.
All right, so we're gonna do a little reading of Grace, aka Werevlog. He's sitting there waiting. Okay.
Okay.
All right, I'll say hi. Just give me a second.
All right, I love you.
All right. All right, so before the, yeah, I just want to show you, Kitty's waiting. He's got one thing of cat food, so I'm probably gonna feed that to him, and then we'll begin the reading. Kitty, are you ready? Here, we'll do a cat commercial, okay? Real quick, here we go. I got one of these left. This is the one right here, Sheba cut. We'll use, hang on, technical problems, hang on. And today we'll be having, for Kitty, this right here. Kitty, let's see the expression of my cat's face. What do you think about that? Is this something that you want? It's Sheba Cuts roasted chicken entree. Okay? All right, here we go. There's Kitty. Hi, everybody. We're having, for Kitty, they're cuts. They're Sheba, and it's roasted chicken entree. There you go, Kitty. There. Here we go. All right, we're gonna get to the reading. Yep, I was in my sports, Cole's sports underwear. All right, so we are on page 74, at the bottom of 74.
Maybe I thought just throw her off.
Okay, just don't worry about it. There's people out there that are.
Yes, maybe she asked about child support, and then
I'm probably sure she did. Okay, it is part of the show. All right, I'm gonna have to do the reading.
Please.
Okay, I understand.
I'm telling you. Will you shut it down?
Okay, all right. Okay. So, Linda, you're gonna be making dinner while I do this, or do you want me to wait, or? All right, we're gonna go ahead and go forward with it. We'll get to it eventually. Beaumont. I don't know if it's a ISD is interested. I'm trying to find out if it's. Here we go. Give me a second. It's Beaumont ISD that's interested. They're a Beaumont United High School. I'm supposed to apply to that. Okay. It's the high school in Beaumont. They're interested. Yeah, this could be a life changer. We may be moving to Beaumont, Texas. But I will continue the vlog. It just won't be as hefty. And
where'd you get this message?
Stuff. I just got it now. Well, I just noticed it now. Okay. We'll have to see. It would be like theater arts position for high school. I've only applied, I think, to their junior high, so I'd have to apply to it. I've got a sticky note over there.